We have a new unboxing. Itong set na to for Yamaha T-Max. Order ito ng regular client ko, si Boss Joel. So this is for his friend. Full system set for T-Max, and also full titanium. So obviously ito yung muffler niya. This is a custom made titanium. Mahaba siya, mahaba, malaki. So handmade titanium to with carbon tip. So yan, so it's a handmade titanium na canister. Ito yung mga elbow niyan, since it's for system. Ito yung request ni client, titanium blue for the sensor. Yung elbow, it's a real titanium, titanium blue. So yan yung set niya, full system set. Order ni client for his T-Max, and here's the accessories, mga free accessories. Ito yung stainless na suppressor, what we call the silencer, and yung mga spring, and also it has a puller, comes with the puller as a spring, hindi mahirap ikabit. So yan, as you can see, yun yung full system for Yamaha T-Max. And closer look ng header. So yan, also available yung pure titanium. Pure titanium, meaning yung plain siya, plain color. Also available yung golden, meron din yun. It depends sa inyo, pwede any color you want, but the materials is still titanium. So pag binuo mo yan, yan, ganyan dito. Hindi ko na susuksok, si Bossy na bahala magkabit yan. So parang ganyan yan. Yan ang forma niyan. Yan, ganyan. Yan, then dun sa outlet dito is yung canister, something like this. Yeah, so paano magasgas, si Bossing na magsusok, si owner na magsusok. Ayan, mura lang yan mga bossing. Pay nyo lang ako if you need or you want this set. Pwedeng plain pure titanium like that, like this color, pure titanium tawag yan. Okay, quick unboxing lang. Kahapon lang to dumating to UPS, sometimes it's DHL, then papaship ko ngayon sa client. Mabilis lang naman to dumating, about 10 days from factory abroad in mainland. So okay, pay nyo lang ako pag gusto nyo yung order.